Alright guys, quick update here. Slash is now progressing. 56%. Been printing for just over 24 hours now. You can see we've got the grid supports on, which I hate because it uses up so much filament. But on prints like this, where you got little starting points for other parts, it seems to be working really well. So it's better than, burning 3 or 4 failed prints with the organics right now until we get that figured out. But everything seems to be going really well. Excited for this to finish. Should be done in about 19 hours, and we'll get the first of 3 as a 3-part print done. Alright. After 1 day and 19 hours. Let's see here. Print time 1 day, 19 hours. The bottom half of Slash came out really good. Supports worked well. We got a few little errors in there, but for the most part they looked really good. We're going to crack this guy open, get him separated from the supports, and show you the final result. So here's that finished product with the supports all off. Turned out really good. A little bit of roughness, top of the feet. But everywhere else turned out pretty dang smooth. Very happy with it. The tail I was concerned about because I was all in the supports, but it turned out great. So excited. The top base here looks good too. And now we've got the torso section printing. So another 2 days. We will show the final results on that half, and then we just have the head and the arms to do, and we are done.